Top for plant-based proteins for arthritis relief, soothe pain and inflammation naturally, especially for seniors who want natural healing without medications. Tired of joint pain slowing you down? What if you could fight arthritis naturally, starting with your next meal? What if the key to unlocking pain-free joints wasn't found in a doctor's office, but right here, on your plate? Most people don't realize this, but what you eat can play a big role in how you feel every single day. Some foods make things worse, but others can actually help calm inflammation and ease that pain. Today, I'm revealing 4 powerful plant-based proteins that could soothe arthritis, crush inflammation, and help you feel better than you have in years, naturally without popping pills. They aren't magic pills or fancy health products. They are simple, affordable, real foods. One of them you probably walk past every time you go grocery shopping without realizing its hidden healing power. So if you're over 50 and ready to feel younger, stronger, and more flexible, you're in the right place. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods could change everything for your joints and your life. Top for plant-based proteins for arthritis relief. Number 1. Lentils, nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. First up, lentils, tiny but mighty. Lentils are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and powerful antioxidants that work together to reduce swelling and strengthen joints. They're also rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps muscles and joints relax and heal faster. Quick tip, add them to soups, stews, or make a delicious lentil salad for lunch. Number 2. Chickpeas, gentle on joints, tough on inflammation. Chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans. Chickpeas are loaded with protein and minerals like zinc and manganese, both of which are vital for rebuilding cartilage and easing joint stiffness. Plus, their high fiber content helps balance blood sugar and cut down body-wide inflammation, a huge win if you're managing arthritis. Quick tip, roast them for a crunchy snack, blend into hummus, or toss on your salads. Number 3. Hemp seeds, tiny seeds, massive relief. Next up, hemp seeds, one of the very few complete plant-based proteins. They're packed with all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for joint repair and muscle recovery. Even better, hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which naturally reduce inflammation just like some arthritis medications, but without the side effects. Quick tip, sprinkle them over yogurt, salads, or blend into your smoothies for a nutty flavor and healing boost. Number 4. Quinoa, the arthritis-friendly super grain. Quinoa, the arthritis superfood you need to know about. Quinoa is a gluten-free complete protein loaded with fiber, magnesium, and anti-inflammatory phytonutrients. It fuels your muscles, protects your joints, and gives your body the tools it needs to repair damaged tissue. Quick tip, use quinoa as a base for salads, stir it into soups, or swap it for rice at dinner for a tasty, healing upgrade. There you have it, for powerful plant-based proteins that naturally fight arthritis, soothe pain, and keep you moving like you're years younger. If you're ready to take your health back naturally, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who deserves to feel better too.